Approaches to genetic coding experiments. Scientists Nirenberg and Matthaei wanted to answer this question: what amino acids are specified by codons of only one type of base? I want to start by reminding everyone that there are 4 nucleotide bases in mRNA: adenine, uracil, cytosine, and guanine. I will use uracil to explain the experiment. In the experiment, a poly-U mRNA strand, also known as a homopolymer, was used. The homopolymer was then added to a cell-free extract translation system that translated the UUU codons into amino acids. This then caused the precipitation of a protein in the solution. The solution was poured into a flask where the unbound amino acids were filtered out and the remaining precipitate was left on the filter paper. The filter paper was then checked for radioactivity, and if the paper was radioactive, then the amino acid was present. All 20 amino acids were tested for each nucleotide-based homopolymer. They were able to identify 3 codons: UUU phenylalanine, CCC proline, and AAA lysine. However, GGG did not work. Nirenberg continued to identify more codons. However, his lab partner, Matthaei, was replaced by Leder. Nirenberg and Leder asked the question: with the use of tRNAs, what other matches between codon and amino acid could be determined? Instead of looking at an entire strand, they used one singular codon made of synthetic mRNA. For this example, I am using GUA, and added it to a solution of tRNAs carrying amino acids and a ribosome. In the solution, the codon GUA was read by the ribosome and attached to a tRNA with the anticodon CAU, an amino acid valine, attached. The entire solution is then poured into a flask through a nitrocellulose filter, which collects only the mRNA codon and the tRNA bound to it. The filter paper was then checked for radioactivity, and if the paper was radioactive, then the amino acid being tested was present. Each amino acid was tested with each combination of 3 of the base nucleotides. They identified 61 codons total, and my example of GUA was found to code for valine.